The addition of St. Luke's College is really an exciting position that we find ourselves in. There's a School of Nursing, a School of Medicine, and we now have a College of Health Sciences that will help us educate the remaining members of the interdisciplinary team that provide the excellent quality care for which St. Luke's is known. The campus is the Bethlehem Campus of St. Luke's University Health Network, and it is directly across the street from the hospital. We have 2 associate degree programs, an associate in radiography and an associate in respiratory care. And then we have a baccalaureate degree, which is an RN to BSN program.
What differentiates the College of Health Sciences is our small class size. It's our guaranteed clinical placement. We will never take more students than what we can offer clinical placements for. Those class sizes also provide opportunities for hands-on learning.
The students will have experience in simulated environments where they can practice before they actually go to the real clinical placement areas.
It allows them to take what they're learning in the classrooms and in their labs and then translate that into clinical practice. There is a whole network in which they will experience clinical, and once they complete the program, transition into a professional career.
Once in the clinical environment, they're working with expert faculty and clinicians to master the knowledge and skills necessary.
The leadership of the College of Health Sciences and the faculty all come from very rich backgrounds within higher education, within their fields. Not only are they well versed in the classroom, they also bring that clinical knowledge that they can really marry with what students are learning in the classroom to provide them a well-rounded, top-notch education.
The programs are designed with the adult learner in mind.
We very much build into the curriculum and into the culture of the college being supporting them academically, that's supporting them socially, and it's supporting them on their career trajectory.
There is no question how this college aligns with the mission of St. Luke's University Health Network. Their mission is to provide quality care to the communities that it serves. And clearly you need a workforce to do that. These are some of the fastest growing and most in-demand programs. So the College of Health Sciences is adding to the workforce. There is no better place to put the education of healthcare professionals than within a healthcare network. Who better to drive healthcare education than the very institutions that are responsible for giving it?